Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit column formula here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing column formula in Smartsheet is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, open the sheet where you want to add or edit the formula. In my case, I'm going to be looking on this file. I'm going to click on it, and then now if you haven't already, adding a formula here in any part of the Smartsheet is a straightforward process. For example, I'm going to put in some data, all right? I'm going to copy this. And for example, this. Basically, these are just for the training purposes, but the process is the same. For example, click on that and go to the ellipsis button here in the upper right corner where you can see the formula. So you have a lot of options here, but in my case, I'm going to be using count because I don't have so much data to work with. No, that's not it. It should be around here on the formula column. My bad. That's going to be count, right? I'm going to enter that. And I'm going to press enter. Now, for example, you created a formula and there's like an error here that says unperceivable option. This is the most important part for you to edit the formula, all right? In my case, I'm gonna double click that. I'm gonna make sure that the it's correct and just enter row. You see, basically the error has been gone. And if you want to apply the same formula here, so to avoid the error, all I have to do is copy that, okay? Now, doing so, we'll need be more efficient, and of course reducing the processing time for recalculations. As project evolves, if you're working with multiple people, formulas may become overly complicated. You might want to streamline or simplify the formula to improve the readability and performance. In sheets with a large amount of data, you might want to edit formulas to make them more efficient and reduce the processing time for recalculations. My data might be different from what you have, but the method and the process is the same. All I'm gonna do is double click on the formula and make sure that you are using the right formula, if it's gonna be a sum, average, count, minimum, or max. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.